Top flow boss.
Mike.
God.
True that, you making noise.
God.
Mike.
God. God.
Mike.
God. I'm talking about from the bottom to the top. Living proof, nigga. We can give a fuck how you rockin'. You already know how we coming, how we came. Blood forever. Something about forever. 100 mil my deposit, man, I'm here now, I ain't no privacy. My bricks wanna come in the building, ain't no stopping me. Shout it on, cause I'm living in that mansion. I'm rolling down the road, I don't hurt nobody. Play out the battle, trying to solve my problem. Shout it right just accept it.
We got gas, you know we ain't lagging. Got army guns and boy, you're maggot. Pause, no pun intended. Shot his ass while he was jumping a fence. One of my cousins tumbling gas, one of my cousins tumbling brick. Catch your ass while you pumping the gas. Now we back on the block and we pumping a brick.
Damn, this a fat ass parking lot.
This bitch like some Atlanta shit.
On my mama. You could definitely spin in this bitch. There's so much room.
Yeah, they trying to make a circle right there.
Well, you could spin it anywhere at this motherfucker. Look, they tweaking already. They down there tweaking on my mama. Quan, folks said get ready. No. He said get ready.
Is he trapped in? Did I trap him in?
Nah, he should be able to get out.
We got gas, you know we ain't lagging. Got army guns and boy, you a maggot.
Give me that pat pat.
What's crazy, not even half of it.
No open on that bitch.
Go ahead, cut out, son.
He ain't never take off that smooth. Bro, you on the spot now? You all on the vlog too?
Nope, not on.
He said no.
Let me do it.
Let me do it, folks.
Yo shit over there, bad. Yo shit, Little Caesars, hot and ready. Yo shit, hot and ready.
Hey, always ready, folks. On my grandma.
So this shit hot and ready.
Ain't nothing but two tires, bro.
Who got a great cluster?
On Amazon right now.
Who got a great cluster or no?
You just a what?
No. Who the owner of this?
I don't know.
He trying to spin that bitch.
You said ski mask?
Folks got gin out that bitch. He tweet. He just snapped in that bitch. Oh God. Come on, Kwan, where you at, man? Where you at?
Bro, you on the
Slide that bitch. Slide that red bitch, man. Let me do it. Let me do it, folks. Let me do it. Come on. I already spent my shit. Hey, always ready, folks, on my grandma.
So this shit hot and ready.
Ain't nothing but some new tires, man. $250 on Amazon right now.
Who got a great cluster on?
Top flow boss. God.
True that, you making noise.
God. 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 I'm talking about from the bottom to the top. Living proof, nigga. We can give a fuck how you rockin'. You already know how we coming, how we came. I'm here, now I ain't no practice. My first wanna come in the building, ain't no stopping me. Shot it on all these things I done seen. Time to spend on shit cause they shot at me. I got focus, I'm living in that mansion. I'm rolling up, I'm nobody. Play out the battle, trying to solve my problem. Shot it right just a substitute, man, I'm guided. Wanna ride on my books, but never thought of this job.
She over dramatic, these bitches be acting. Know we got gas, you know we ain't lagging. Got army guns and boy, you're maggot. That's not a joint, that's a damn formatic. Always smoking, I think I'm an addict. I'm in a joint and I ride with a baddie. You know I'm up like a motherfucking addict. Do, you know we ain't lagging. Do not run up, some bad can happen. You know the money gon' come with the madness. And what I claim gon' come with the baggage. We got them cutters, we come with the hatches. For them gas switches, they come with the gadgets. Fake ass damage, you captain be captain. We do the shit that the rappers be rapping. I'm having fun, no pun intended. Shot his ass while he was jumping the fence. One of my cousins tumbling gas, one of my cousins tumbling bricks. Catch your ass while you pumping the gas. Now we back on the block and we pumping.